In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF file to another languages. Like if PDF file English, you want to translate it Hindi. This is possible. You want to translate Spanish, China, Bengali, and lots of language are supported, and you can translate easily. So first, you need to upload your PDF file to Google Doc. So first, upload. I will do upload on my Google Drive. Then wow, it's completed. Now just open this file. So here you can see open with Google Docs. Just you need to click on here, open with Google Docs. Now you need to click on tool option, again click on translate document. So you can see here is a uh, Afrikaans and Albanian, Arabic, and lots of language. You can translate it easily. So example purpose, I want to translate its French. Then now click on translate. Wow, it's already done. Now you need to click on file, then click on download, again click on PDF. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer. If I open this file, you can see this is PDF file. So this is full translate. So this is a method how you can translate your PDF to another languages using free method. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.